how long do the results of hair transplants last?
Results of hair transplant would last for as long as the whatever happens to the donor hairs, whatever is the life of the donor hair, quality of the donor hair, the same thing is translated to the recipient site also. So if your donor hairs are going to last for a very long time, the results also last. But we have to know that even with age, the donor site hair also become thin a bit. Only important point is that when a doctor is doing a hair transplant, they should allow not to breach the safe donor area limit, although it's not a entirely demarcated line, it's not a clear cut line. So there are chances that there may be some transgressions of safe donor area, which is common, but in general it should not be sort of without assessment trying to take out whatever
Completely
is
off
there.
limits.
Exactly, yes.
Yes. So we have to see for the safe
Exactly.
donor area for a long lasting result.